Hey, I'm Mallory Varner.
And I'm Ivan Costia with GSG.
And we are in Las Vegas at the Printing United show. And all the rave is DTF right now. And we have the solution for you. Whether you are a high production shop or just getting into DTF, we've got it all for you. So Ivan, tell me about the M&R Quatro, which is obviously a brand everyone knows.
Yeah, definitely. So the M&R Quatro is a 4-print head, 24-inch roll printer that's great for high productivity.
So similar to M&R, Brother is a brand that we know and love. So tell me a little bit about the Brother DTF R2R.
Yeah, so Brother took an existing DTG machine that's been in the industry for a long time and adapted it to the DTF roll. So this comes complete with your roll, your shaker, and your dryer, and it's ready to go.
All right, guys, so even if you're not an apparel decorator and you do decals, or if you are, this UV DTF is amazing. No weeding, so tell me about the Aries 113 from DTF Station.
Yeah, if you're currently using decals that decorate hardware, the UV DTF printer is going to make your life so much easier. It's a all-in-one printer that basically creates stickers that can be peeled off and hand applied into any non-porous surface.
All right, guys, so like I said, we have all the solutions for you. Come talk to us at Printing United, and we'll tell you what DTF solution is right for you. If you're not here, be sure and click on the link because we have some amazing show specials.